Airport Services Limited, formerly Air India Air Transport Services Limited, is recruiting for several positions at Port Blair's Veer Savarkar International Airport. These positions are offered on a fixed-term contract of 3 years renewable based on performance. Number of vacancies: Customer Service Executive, 5 vacancies. 2. Ramp Service Executive, 3 vacancies. 3. Utility Agent cum Ramp Driver, 5 vacancies. 4. Handyman Male, 17 vacancies. Salary details: 1. Customer Service Executive, 24,960 month. 2. Ramp Service Executive, 24,960 month. 3. Utility Agent cum Ramp Driver, 21,270 month. 4. Handyman Male, 18,840 month. Ex-servicemen details: ex-servicemen get age relaxations per government rules. They are eligible for these roles and must provide service-related documents when applying. Nature of job functions: 1. Customer Service Executive handles passenger check-in, airline ticketing, and terminal duties. Shift work including night shifts with 1 weekly off, irrespective of gender. 2. Ramp Service Executive operates ground support equipment GSE, manages baggage, and ensures flight and aircraft safety, ensures timely flight operations. 3. Utility Agent cum Ramp Driver drives heavy vehicles, buses, tractors, and operates GSE after training. Responsible for both passenger and aircraft safety. 4. Handyman loads baggage and cargo, cleans aircraft cabins, assists technicians, and provides wheelchair assistance. Works in rotating shifts, including night duties. Selection procedures: Point 1. Customer Service Executive personal virtual interview with possible group discussion. 2. Ramp Service Executive, Utility Agent cum Ramp Driver trade test, technical knowledge and driving, followed by an interview. Point 3. Handyman physical endurance test, for example, weightlifting, running, followed by an interview. Application form and fees: non-refundable application fee, $500. No fees for ex-servicemen and SC Saint candidates. Payment via NEFT. Application must be submitted online using the provided Google form. Documents to carry for the interview: a recent passport-sized photograph, self-attested copies of certificates, for example, 10th, 12th mark sheets, graduation certificates, experience certificates. Valid passport if available, caste certificate if applicable. Ex-servicemen should bring service-related documents, and employed candidates must submit a no objection certificate, NOC. Find this form below the description box along with the link to apply. Subscribe for more updates.